You go, all good.
I'm doing all good. Thank you, Sarah. Yeah, just quite a lot of things on the to-do list, which I'm obviously ignoring.
About you guys? I have like 50 million things to do on my to-do list. I'm just kind of hiding it behind my laptop so I can't see it. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of feel I'm in the same boat as Anna, just so many things to do and no time to do it at all. But then I feel like I do sometimes have time and then I just watch Grey's Anatomy. So I need to get my life together and sort that out.
Have a dog in the background. You're on mute.
Yes. He's got the sock and I'm trying to... This is Nelson. He's
very cute.
Very playful.
Hi, Nelson.
Any other Netflix suggestions? I am open to everything.
As everyone's got experience, what would be your top tip for someone starting this semester or beginning remote learning? Something for them to look out for or to start working on now so that they're not falling behind in a couple of weeks' time?
So what is working for me to have a big note to-do list in front of my desk. So whenever I sit here watching a Netflix series, I can look at it and go into the guilt trap that, oh my God, I still have to do that. So it still like kind of helps me do stuff a little bit more than I used to. So I like have a big paper there, like assignment is due on this date, stop watching this show and stop working. So that pretty much works for me. Yeah, I think constant reminder is going to help because you have the choice to postpone things now. So that will be like, yeah, that's pretty much it for me.
Say that it's don't forget to do breaks, and not just breaks when you are watching Netflix or something that's very exciting and relaxing, but also breaks when you go outside and breathe fresh air and maybe walk or do some exercises, because it's very tempting to stay at home.
A bit weird to start with, to connect through this way, but I think it's just nice to then see people's faces.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know how everybody else is feeling.
Yes, it's really nice to see you all, because after a long time we are meeting like in such platform, and yes, it's really great in this new semester.